biggest risks to Toronto's real estate market, I would say, are escalating costs and the dangers of affordability.
The moment we start to be challenged with affordability of housing, with a lack of infrastructure for transit, I think the talent will have options to look elsewhere, and so will employers.
Hopefully, we see a government that's cooperative with the development community that allows us to build enough housing supply for the people who want to live here and who want to grow here.
We're seeing a lot of new developments down by the harbor, and we're seeing public transportation follow those developments. And I think to the extent that it does, they'll be successful. I think to the extent that it falls behind, we might have challenges.
The biggest risk for our market is short-term thinking.
Tariffs on the auto sector, that has a major trickle-down effect to every sector, not just automotive, but the parts manufacturers, the service providers that consult to them. Then it affects residential and residential construction, and it has a massive impact.
We can have all these beautiful buildings and wonderful employment opportunities, but people have to be able to get here. The challenge is that transit has to keep pace with development. If it doesn't, then we'll stagnate.
The whole transportation model is changing very quickly, as we all know. Driverless cars and whatnot. Building in that capacity for the change and growth so that in 20 years from now, we don't look back and say, well, we didn't build our city in the right way. We're already facing those challenges now.
Toronto used to be the envy of every other city with the sense of the OMB, and now that that's probably coming off, there's a question mark about how sites will be zoned, and again, that'll translate to how sites get priced down the road.